If you remember, even in the last hearing, the government had again taken a stance that there exists no fundamental right of privacy. But then the government today, there was a slight change. Since morning, they had been taking the stance that there will be certain aspects of privacy which might fall into fundamental right which are already protected by other rights. But then in the end, when the bench continued asking specifically that does the government takes the stance that there is a fundamental right to privacy, so at that time, right when the hearing was about to conclude, Attorney General said that yes, they can accept that there is a right to privacy. And this comes after earlier in the day there were 4 different state governments, the government of Karnataka, West Bengal, and the Union Territory of Puducherry, which had taken a stance in favor of the petitioners, saying that there is a privacy is an inalienable natural right, and in today's time where technology allows the state to be all pervasive and it has the power to empower and disempower any citizen, the court must hold that there is a fundamental right to privacy. That was argued by Mr. Kapil Sibal, following which the government put forward its stance, and that will again continue tomorrow. And one interesting thing now, what has happened is that there are 2 branches of the government who were on the same side previously, the government and the UIDAI. Now there's a clear divergence of views in both parties. While the government has accepted privacy as a fundamental right, the UIDAI still says that it is a right but not a fundamental right. And tomorrow when the arguments start, these both sides will again continue their arguments.